Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am super excited to talk to you about this programmable LED matrix sign, car sign by a company called KJoy. And the reason I'm holding the box in my hand is because this sign is in my car, and you're going to start seeing footage of that right now. This is a super cool product. It is an LED matrix sign. It has built-in graphics that you can use, as well as you can do customizable graphics. You can create your own message just out of text. You can also create your own graphic design. You can also create your own animation and have it do an animation. And it is nice and bright. You're going to see in my car, you'll see it at night, you'll see it at like dusk, and you'll see it even in bright sunlight. It's so bright that even in bright sunlight, you're able to see it. Really cool product. Now it is a flexible matrix sign so that it will fit in any window. The sign itself has a little bit of a static clean, but they include a double-sided tape that holds really well. It's not going to leave a residue if you take it off, but it holds really well to help stick the sign in your window. And then it has a really long cord so that you can put it in your back window and run that cord all the way up to the front of your car. It ends with a on-off switch and a USB plug, and they do include the car charger with the USB ports that you can plug it into in order to power it. Or you can plug it into one you already have. Either way, and once you have that power to it, you're good to go. Now what's cool is you use an app and you connect to it through Bluetooth on your phone once you've installed the app, and then you can do all kinds of really awesome things. Again, they have all these built-in graphics. They have both motion graphics and static graphics that are built in that you can choose from, and a lot of those are really cool holiday themes and things like that. But then if you want, you can create your own. You can put in your own text. You can choose the colors of the text to your liking, and once you've got your text in there or your graphics and they're displaying, then there's different modes. You can have it scroll, or you can have it go from up or down, or you can have it scroll right or left, or you can use this what they call laser mode or snowflake mode. So lots of different things you can do in terms of how it's going to display. It's not just a static sign, although you can have it just be static if that's all you need. But really super cool. I mean, this is great for holidays, great for sports fans to express your team, great for if you're a Lyft or an Uber driver, you can use it for that, or you can use it for just different holidays and events, and just to express yourself, express your message, express your point of view, or, you know, of course you could use it to let a bad driver know that you're not happy with them, if that's what you want it to do. Any way you want to use it, you can use it. Very simple to use, very easy to set up, and most importantly, as you have seen in all the demo footage, looks great. Looks really good in the car, very easy to read, and very readable not only at night but even in the day. It does have the adjustable brightness, so you can set it to the brightness levels. It's fully controllable. I mean, you really can program this to do all kinds of amazingly awesome things, and it's really whatever you want to do, you can do it with this. And very simple product that works even better than I could possibly have imagined, and I just absolutely love it. If you're looking for something like this, a really creative and unique way to express yourself in your car, a sign that isn't like a sticker that you put in your car and then you're stuck with that sticker. Not with this. With this, you could change it every day. You can change it once a week. However you want to do it, you can change it and continually put different emblems or messages up there, whatever you want to do. Really excellent product by KJoy, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.